I end it. I end things. I kill people. Real people.
You a killer?
In the trenches where it's real lethal.
Oh, so you're hood, huh?
I'm from Bompton.
Bompton. Yep.
From Bompton.
Nope, don't do it to him. Don't do it to him. Oh. Jeez, boy, you're wild.
Find a dove.
Where the bird at? It's dove season at it.
Where is it?
Dove season at ACU4.
Where is it?
See, I heard him. Hitting it with the bag work on 3-7. What are you, Aussie now? Let's see shenanigans they got going on up here. Yup. Shenanigans. Got some cow gear. Chief. Choosing 3. Yup.
What you recording?
It's my YouTube video. No? Where's he at? What is he doing? Texting away. Jeez, fireman. Jeez, fireman. Hey. Alright. What are you doing there? What are you doing? Oh, I'm cute, boy. That boy cute.
Looking kind of cute though, not gonna lie. It's kind of weird.
Let me see you.
This is like exactly what my mom looks like.
Ooh, your mom is cute, boy.
Wanna see?
Let me see your mom's.
My mom's.
Let me see Mama Smith.
Mama Smith. She's Mama Ramirez now.
Oh, Steve?
Steve Ramirez.
Steve gapped it up? Huh? Oh, no, that's your aunt. What's his name? Steve?
Harwell?
Steve Harwell. This man's uncle. What are they? What'd you just say to me? Go get a face shielding glove, Smith. Go. He gone. Ain't gotta tell that man twice, right? Oh.
There's gloves in my drawer upstairs, and I don't know where they should.
Papa Begizzle. Yo. There we got Lippe. Yeah. Alright, Colo, let me see. Get down on this bag.
I don't know exactly what I'm supposed to cut out.
I reckon that beaver tail.
Just these?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.